Hey guys, me Marita. I'm here with another video. This is my wash and style routine. I've already washed and conditioned, deep conditioned my hair. Now I'm about to go in with the leave-in conditioner. Well, I started with my aloe vera juice and then put in leave-in conditioner and an oil. You'll see me doing that right now. Just something that I kind of picked up from other naturals, that aloe vera juice is really good for keeping moisture and pH balance in your hair. And then the leave-in conditioner, I usually always put a leave-in conditioner in my hair after I wash, and then I'll seal that in with the oil. I'm actually using some new products today. I'm using a new oil that I recently repurchased, but I haven't used it in a long time, probably since I was relaxed. And it's the Wild Growth oil. I'll show it. I'll pick it up and show it to you in the screen. This is the Wild Growth hair oil. It was really good at growing my edges back. Back when I was relaxed, I've always had really thin edges, and I kind of growing back with this, and so I'm just kind of trying this out again on my natural hair, seeing how it comes out. So I'm just putting that through, working it first on the ends and then putting it through, and then kind of giving myself a little massage. I don't think I did that to every section, but whenever I think about it, I'll kind of try to remember to put it into my scalp. So I'm kind of finger detangling, trying to get the tangles out. And now I'm just going in with the white tooth comb, my shower comb. I've had this thing probably since I've been natural. So I've been natural about 9 years, and it looks like it's about 9 years old. But anyway, so I'm starting in at the at the ends, and then I'm going to work myself up to the roots. It's very important that you are very gentle with your hair, because you do have if you have natural hair, it's very coily and it's easy to get really tangled. So just try to go in and be as gentle as possible with your hair. And now I'm going in with my styling lotion. It's by Shea Moisture, the Strength and Restore styling lotion. That's a new product as well. I'm going with a generous amount of that for that whole section. Just kind of working that in, and then I'm gonna working in from ends to roots. Focusing in, I always focus on my product on my ends first, because the ends of your hair that's the oldest hair on your head. So it's very important that we baby those ends and make sure we're very gentle with those ends. So I'm just kind of combing that through just to make sure all the hair has that lotion on it. Make sure it's well distributed throughout the hair, and then from there I'll just start on sectioning this section so that I can start doing my twist. I'm doing a twisted Bantu knot out. So this is just how I'm setting my hair to put the twist in. It's very important that you detangle very well when you're doing twists, just so that you can get the best results possible. So detangling is a very important part when you want to do and get a nice twist out. This is a new product as well by Creme the Pure Honey Texturizing Curl Setting Lotion. I'm trying that for the first time as well. They said it's good on twist outs and braid outs and all that, so trying it out. It had an interesting smell. I think it seemed like I smelled alcohol, but I haven't looked at the ingredients to see. But it had, you could smell that honey smell, but it's not the best smelling product in the world. But I don't think it's gonna stay in. And as you see, I am kind of pulling some of the moisture out, because I don't want this hairstyle to take so long to dry. And I do mostly air dry, but I may set it to dry for a little while, but I just want to take away from some of the drying time, so I may squeeze the section with my t-shirt just to get some of the moisture out, and it won't take so long for it to set. So now I'm going in with a twist, just making sure the twist is nice and tight. And as you see, you can probably see some of the product squeezing through. And yes, as I twist, I still detangle, because sometimes as you're twisting, it can get tangled up again. So as I twist, I continue to detangle to make sure that the section is very, very well detangled. And then from here, I'm just going to make a Bantu knot. Just twist it up onto itself until it's into a knot. And I'm going to repeat this technique throughout my entire head in different small sections. Partner a piece out, put the product on, and start twisting until I put it into the Bantu knot. Enjoy!